How's it going, y'all? So today we got the Lincoln, took it on a road trip to Missoula. It's like a 100-mile drive. Did good on the drive, but the whole time we had a weird, I don't know, shutter or skip. By the time I got to Missoula, it was giving me a number 6 misfire, 6-cylinder. Through a used spark plug when I got back. I fixed it, but then it gave me number 5 was giving me trouble. So I think it's time to do a spark plug job. So I'm gonna head to the parts store and get some plugs. Just making sure I got everything. Checking tires. Should be all good to go. So we're gonna head to the parts store. So almost at the shop. Figured I'd give us a little demonstration of what it's doing. I mean, drives good, but it's not a smooth acceleration. It's obvious that there's something missing. It accelerates, I mean, fine, but in the pedal I can hear it, I can feel it, I can feel it not hitting on all cylinders. And if I hit a hill, it like barely accelerates up the hill, like right there it keeps jumping. But we'll be at the shop here soon. We'll get her done. How many of y'all hit a dirt road and keep the speed low so you don't get as much mud underneath? Oh, I hate mud.
Wait till we get that fucking shop heater in here. Wait. Put it over there, and you fill that bitch all the way over here.
It would be nice.
I really can't wait, bro. It'll be nice for this winter. You see something there? I was trying to go your way. Iridium. Oh.
Excuse me.
That's why you got the fucking. Yes, they're all lights, but you got the iridium.
Well, they're also lifetime warranty, so I guess I'll never buy them again. You know what I mean? I mean, that's what that means, right?
I mean, yeah, limited lifetime warranty, but depends on. I'm not sure what I have in mind. I know I have NGKs in the Metro.
Oh, yeah.
When I bought it from you, I did the spark plugs and alarms when I first bought it. So you have to take off the fuel reel and then, holy shit. On both sides?
No, I did not have to take off the fuel rail.
Oh, really?
No, it'll squeeze it out.
Oh. Really? What?
No way.
How the fuck do the middle two get squeezed out? What? Yeah, it's the same thing on this side too. But this side's worse.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. The back three are under the fill rail versus the front one is not.
I see.
I don't know. I don't know how you got fucking 5 to 6.
Excuse me?
I don't know how you got 6 out. Which is base of the middle.
6 is over there.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one's 1. That's why it's. Oh, I see. That's why that one's marked orange. Your fuel injectors.
Well,
All of them are black, except your number 1. This
No,
orange.
these are orange.
Oh.
You're looking at the coil packs.
Oh, I didn't see the orange behind it. I was looking at the black.
Alright.
The black. Okay, so they're all orange. It's just the angle I was looking at it. It's not my car. Like I said, I don't pay attention, it's not my car. I haven't looked really underneath this hood.
Not bad, right?
No, it's not. And timing chain on these things are fucking easy.
I still don't want to do it.
They're easy. All you have to do is, because I did on my fucking Ford Ranger, I had to replace the water pump. I had to really take every motherfucking thing out.
Ford fucking Ranger?
The water pump was on this side, going into the block from the radiator, and my alternator was in the fucking way.
I see.
And it was like, you motherfucker. So I had to unbolt my alternator, along with the fucking radiator mount and all that shit. But this one's a lot easier. All you have to do is unbolt your
It's not bad.
belt tensioner, power steering,
It's not bad.
and that's it. Oh, and your pulley. That's it. Oh yeah, that's this one. The one they replaced the motor in.
Look at that plug.
Forgot.
Gross.
Fucking greasy fingers.
Plug. Yeah.
Holy shit.
You show the camera. It's recording behind you. Feel free to pick it up and look around. And I can edit out anything.
Sorry, just fuck. I wasn't
No, it
on.
doesn't matter. Don't get too close. It'll just blur it out.
Well, this is what it looks like. Oh, I see.
So don't worry about it. Like,
Well, is the lens, because when I got close, like to like 2 feet away,
it's not good with that.
got 2 feet. It's your lens. That's the way you have your lens. You have it for far view versus near view.
I have it all the way back so I can get everything.
Yeah. So that's why. I hate to say it, that's worse than the Metro.
Yeah, they're not happy, man.
That's worse than Metro, I can tell you that. My Metros didn't look that bad. Yeah, they're black, but not that fucking.
I mean, they're not bad. It's just,
They're not. It's just corrosion.
I mean, you don't have to.
But it saves your threads.
It, you know, like when I just pulled this out, it didn't want to come out.
Yeah. Next time it'll fucking want to come out.
Yeah, next time it'll come out. Nice.
I don't really use a wrench on spark plugs. All I do is fucking finger tight. And then I use the wrench just the one extra, like a little sliver turn.
When you want to finger tight them,
Yeah.
so like there it is.
And then I think you're about to do what I think you're doing. You got a little bit more than I do. Yeah, you did. I go half that.
There. Alright. Back here you go.
Oh, so it's this fucking rubber boot on the end of it.
Yeah, it covers just the tip.
Okay. I thought it was a fucking plastic cylinder shit. I see. Now I see what's maneuver-wise. Because you know the fucking one that goes all the way down, all hard facing?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I thought this was.
So this is the one I changed.
Yeah.
The coil pack that was in here, it was like that, but the bolt was tight. So I pulled Pull these off the other engine.
What?
They look way better. That spark plug was swimming in oil.
It's coated.
Oh, I know. That means that cylinder is now full of oil as well.
It's the back one. He replaced the first three on this side. It's the battery back one.
Huh, wonder why so much oil was in there. Probably a small one or something.
I gotta look inside there.
Yeah, see if you can look down in there.
Ooh boy.
A lot of oil?
No, it's coated black.
Yeah.
Oil's definitely leaking in there.
Well,
Holy fuck. Let me try to get a picture for you. Kind of messed up during the video, but oh well. You know, as you can see down in there.
You can see where the spark plug hits.
You kind of see where it hits off on the bottom, because it's kind of dead center from top and center.
Straight to the center.
You can see the burn marks center. Then I went down in there and made it sound worse. I don't know. But with that one being coated with fucking oil, holy shit. What, oil in it?
fucking rubber piece.
Oh, the rubber boot. Fuck. Now you can take it back and say, hey, these didn't work.
Give my money back. I fucking used that. Fuck. My God.
Hopefully.
Go on.
No, that side down. Harry's like, what do you mean? Well, she wants to see you before you clock in. Well, fine. I'm gonna go see her.
Tell Carrie to go to hell.
Just what I fucking thought when I was walking out. This place, how is it more cylinder? It's the same cylinder.
No, it was like 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about it, Michael. There's things you don't ever see.
Oh, so your Tundra is a fucking 16 spark plug.
No, there's only 8.
Huh?
There's only 8 of them. It's an 8-cylinder.
Yes.
It's a 5.7. Okay.
But guess what? People bleed fucking, when I told them that my 4-cylinder had 8 spark plugs.
The Jeep?
Nope.
Which one are you talking about?
Ford Ranger.
Oh. What
8
year?
spark plugs.
What year?
2000.
Oh, interesting.
Because why? You wanna know why? It puts
Talk-
more, it
talk
puts,
to me.
huh?
Talk to me, Michael.
It puts more fuel out when you put overdrive on.
Oh, I see.
So when it's overdrive on, it puts more fuel, so you need extra sparkage. There's literally there's one side that has spark and fuel, and then the other side just has spark. Just like normal, but when you put off overdrive, it connects the spark plug with the fuel injector together.
I see.
So when you take it off, you have higher compression, higher compression, so it's spinning faster.
Keep in mind, when you use this, it gets everywhere. I've already got it here. Michael cleaned it up for me, but look.
I cleaned that spot if it's clean.
Huh.
And, hold on. Once.
It's oozing out there. Yeah, you can't. I got it on my arm.
So now,
Michael, I'll tell you what. I will happily take a newer lens when you buy the newer lens.
I'm
I'm
buying it.
broke.
I'm buying you a new camera when I get the fucking money, and you're taking that from the neon. Remember? Buying you that $400 camera?
I was gonna get the, what is it, GDI or what is it?
DJI Action 5.
I was gonna get it, but then I was like, you know, there's car parts and cars that I could buy with that same amount of money.
Yes, but
So
if you want to take it from the neon,
let me keep using the old stuff and keep buying projects, and eventually I'll buy another camera. Nice new camera, nice good 4K.
oh, you have an autofocus versus manual focus. That's why.
If you don't quit messing,
I'm not messing with it. I'm just looking at it. Oh. There we go. So it starts from before.
Oh boy, I can't.
You get a shorter one.
Dude, there's so much oil in there. You hear that?
Mm-hmm. You need a shorter one, huh?
No, I just.
Tighten it down a little bit. Take it off.
I know I can. I don't know if I want all that oil going in there.
I mean, you already fucking lifted it up.
No. How about when I pull the plug?
Oh, you haven't pulled the plug yet?
No.
Oh. Get the air nozzle and spray it out.
Oh, dude.
Spray it out.
No, the suction. Where's the suction thing?
You know, that's not going to get anything out.
Oh, fuck it.
You want to spray it out with the air nozzle.
No, that'll be a messy fucking plug.
But it's not in your fucking plug like you want, right?
No, I'm gonna suck it out. Trust me.
With what suction? You need to blow it out. Looks clean.
Oh no.
Oh wow. What?
There's water in it too.
Blow it out. Blow that fucker out.
Shit, dude. No,
Here.
this right here.
You want to blow it out before you open. That won't do nothing.
The fucking one?
No, it won't.
No, cocaine. Michael, get that off. Put it down.
You want? That's not gonna fucking work, bro.
What'd you drop down there?
Fucking tube.
Well, get your hand out. Get out.
I got it.
Well, if you wouldn't do what I asked you not to do, stay out of there. Don't go in there.
It's not gonna fucking work. It won't. Because your spark plug's in the fucking way.
I need you to get something for this ceiling.
But I'm trying to wipe this off real quick.
Can maybe. Here, it's fine. Leave it.
I can get it. My hands are swollen enough to get it.
Well, let's get this, and then when I'm doing the plug, we can finish it.
You're on the spark plug. Sam said, the only reason I know about the trick is Sam said the same thing on his.
Michael, I know to blow it out, but I don't want to blow it out and blow that shit all over everything. I know.
It's the only way to get it out. It's better than going inside your fucking block.
Michael, that is my last thing that I'm gonna do. If I can get it another way than just blowing it out and making a mess, I'm gonna do it. I'm not saying you're wrong, I'm just saying I don't want to do it that way right now.
It's not really a mess if it's. You're going to create a bigger mess if it goes inside your block right now.
My train took no shit. It still starts and runs.
Yeah. Oh, he is? Oh, okay. I'll just walk over there and knock on the doors if you want. Okay.
Okay, we got just about all of them back in. This coil pack I'm gonna replace. Got another motor out there. The battery's getting low, so I'm gonna go for now. Get it put back together, and I'll be back. All right, so got it all back together. Everything's plugged in. Nice cat prints. Silly kitty. Yeah, and see how it starts. Hopefully it drives better on the way home. There you go.
All right, here we go.
Just keep recording. I gotta air up.
It's flashing.
I know. It should be fine. Yeah, I gotta figure out the air because this thing. Not too much.
It's that back one.
Yeah, it was that back one on this side.
Yeah.
I blew it out with that side. I put a rag over it. So I think I got it out of that one.
You're just trying to burn off that oil off the cylinder.
It's burning off a little bit over there.
Because it's H-pipe. It's coming out of this side mainly. It sounds better.
Yeah, it sounds smooth. Back it up.
Want to rub it up a little bit? Rub it up. Rub it up a little bit. It's clearing out. It's clearing. It's smoky a little bit, but it's clearing.
Oh, it'll clear up real good.
When you rub it up, it'll smoke. Go ahead and stop it.
So far, so good. about halfway home. So far it is running great. Spark plugs definitely needed to be done. But I'll probably be back. We'll probably, wait till it's light, get some better footage.